Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit the green screen video in CapCut PC. I already added one video here and I'm just going to add the green screen video and make it as an overlay, and then I'm just going to split the overlay and remove unused, and then I'm just going to merge it, and I want to remove the green screen here. Just going to cut out in the video option, cut out, and select chroma key or auto cut out. And here I'm using auto cut out. Just click on it and you can see for the result the green screen has been removed, and this is the final. Yeah, so basically that's how to edit the green screen video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.